I found this old table on the side of the road, and it had a number of issues, needed to be refinished. Tables, legs were loose. But the most significant issue was that I had a couple of broken spindles down below. You can see those here. They were completely broken at the tenon. I'm looking at the stretcher here, and the tenons are actually broke off inside the stretcher. So what I'm going to show you is the method that I used to make this repair. It's something that I did, using the drill press as my primary tool. You could also do this with hand drilling and just a careful eye. So here we have infamous spindle number 6. It should have a tenon on both sides like that, but this one's broken off. So what are we going to do about that? Well, this is a 1/2 inch, and what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole on this side here and insert a 1/2 inch dowel. To get it square, I'm going to drill a 1/2 inch hole in this piece of wood. That'll insert into. Now this is going to be nice and square, and I can center drill this. First we're going to drill a little pilot hole in the center, and I just kind of eyeballed the center of this. It's close. May not be perfect. Take it in a little bit. There we go. Well, I realized I don't have any 1/2 inch dowel, so I decided to drill it just to 3/8. So we have a nice tight fit on this 3/8 inch dowel, and it goes about 3/4 of an inch in there, and we'll cut this off as necessary for the little shelf. This is the other spindle with the broken tenon, and this one is still stuck in the leg, so I'm doing this with the leg and all. And we're ready to go. So our next step here is I've got these broken off tenons here, and I'm going to go ahead and drill that out for 3/8 on each of the sides where that failure occurred, and we'll get a hole in there to accept the new tenon. Using my little laser here to kind of eyeball where the center of this is going to be, and away we go. Go in about 1 inch or so, that should be plenty. Now we can do the other side. So let's see if number 6 is going to work here. Yep, I think that's a pretty good repair. I'm happy with it. After making all the other little repairs and re-gluing, we've got a nice solid table now. That looks nice and should be strong and useful to us for decades to come. Thanks so much for watching.